everyone, and welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to launch a deployment run. If you would like to review the process for creating a deployment, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To launch a deployment as a deployment run, head on over to Deployments under Composites in the main menu and click the power symbol on the Deployments asset tile. Alternatively, you can click on the asset tile and then select the Launch button from the upper right of the Overview page. On the Base Settings page, enter a name for the deployment run and, optionally, a description. Enter a username and password, which you will use to remotely access this deployment run in the future. Make sure that you enter a strong, complex password. And, if you are launching a Windows VM and need to set up a domain, enter a domain name in this field here. Next, configure your run options. We will discuss these features in greater depth in another video. We do strongly recommend that you check the Retain Deployment on Error box. If you are launching into an AWS or Azure cloud space, select the instance type for your deployment run. If you do not wish to specify the instance type family, simply leave it on Best Matches. You will also have the option to change the system specifications or network interfaces for this specific run. Enter any custom runtime properties, and click Submit. Of course, if for whatever reason you would like to stop your run from deploying, simply hit the Cancel button in the upper right, or make it available to the express users in your project by publishing it as a composition. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, concert.com/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@concert.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.